Good morning, students. Welcome to online social studies class. This is Aarti, your teacher. How are you, children? I hope you all are keeping well. As we know that again corona is rapidly spreading everywhere, so stay home and follow all the protocols. Children, today I will teach you chapter 15, Transport and Communication. In that, we will see introduction portion, some new difficult word meanings and explanation. Before I start our chapter, I would like to ask few questions. Number 1, how do you go to school every day? Number 2, if you have to go to another city, how will you go? And the last question is, if you have to go to another country, how will you go? So let us learn more clearly about transportation today. We need to travel from one place to another all the time. We can walk to places which are very close. To go to places far, we have to use bicycle, rickshaw, auto rickshaw, bus, train, ship or aeroplanes. Now we will see some difficult word meanings. Here are some difficult word meanings. Metro, an underground train system in large cities. Engines, machines that make things move. Aircraft, machines that can fly such as aeroplanes and helicopters. Spacecraft, vehicles that travel in space. Astronauts, people who travel to space in a spacecraft. Alphabets, a set of letters and symbols used for writing a language. Reliable, something that you can trust. Courier system, a person or company whose job is to deliver important letters and parcels within a very short time. Satellites, objects that people have sent into space. They move around the earth. They are used for communicating by radio, television, etc. and for providing information. Now I am going to read and explain this chapter. We all need to go from one place to another. You come to school from home every day. People travel for work. Sometimes we also travel for fun. For instance, going on holidays with our family. How do we travel to another places? We use different vehicles to travel from one place to another. Means of transport. The different types of vehicles that we use to travel are called means of transport. They help people and goods to move from one place to another. We cannot use the same means of transport all the time. The vehicles we use depends on how far we have to go, how much money we can spend. It also depends on how much time we have. There are Three means of transport. Land transport. Means of transport which run only on land are known as land transport. For example, buses, cars, goods, scooters, trucks, etc. Then the second one is the air transport. Some means of transport move only in the air. Aeroplanes and helicopters are the means of air transport. Air transport is the fastest means of transport. Large aircrafts can take us from one corner of the world to another within a few hours. They can carry hundreds of passengers and goods over long distance in a short time. However, air travel is more expensive than other means of transport. Then the third means of transport is water transport. Water transport, some means of transport which move only on water. For example, ship, boat and steamers are the examples of water transport. Water transport is slower than as compared to other means of transport. Water transport is a cheap means of transport. Heavy goods are generally transported by sea. Ship, boat and tankers are means of water transport. The place where passengers and goods are loaded and unloaded is known as a port. In most part of India, all three types of transport are used. In areas where there are high mountains, thick jungles or wide rivers, it is safest to travel by air. In desert, camels are the best means of land transport. People are inventing newer ways of moving from one place to another. Now, people can travel to space in rocks and spacecraft. Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams, two astronauts of Indian origin, traveled to space. Scuba. Did you know Scuba is the world's first car which can travel on road as well as underwater? Isn't it interesting? Now, dear children, we come to know means of transport are used to carry people and goods from one place to another. Trains, buses, cars, scooters and bullock carts are means of land transport. Aeroplanes and helicopters are means of air transport. Ships, boats and steamers are means of water transport. In India, we have large network of roadways, railways and airways. That's it.